Hello my students, how are you? Brief 3. Today we'll solve weekly assessment homework performance 3. Week number 5. First question, choose the correct answer or answer the following questions. Okay, it's direct questions. Okay. Find the length of the length and measure of the arc that represent quarter of a circle with radius 14 centimeter. Okay, he won't find the length and the measure of the arc that represent quarter of circle. The quarter of circle like this, the measure will be 90 degree, like AB, it's arc. The measure of arc AC, it will be 90 degree because it will be force of the circle. The measure of circle 360 divided by 4 equal 90 degree. And also he want to find what? The length. We can find the length of this arc. We know the length. We have the ratio between length and perimeter 2 by r equal the area of the arc. Here it will be 90 over 360. We can find the length by find the ratio between length by length divided by circumference of circle equals the measure of the arc divided by the measure of the circle. We can simplest, then we can write the length was 14. Then we have 2 times 22 over 7 product by 14 is equal, we have here 1 over 4. And then simplest, 14 divided by 7 equal to 2 times 2, 4. 4 cancel by 4 here. Now I will simplest in here, listen to me. 2 times 22 over 7 divided times 14 because the radius was 14. 14 divided by 7 equal to 2 times 2, 4. 4 divided by 4 equal 1. Then the answer here will be 22. Then the length will be 22 times 1. It will be 22 centimeter. It's the length of the arc will be 22 centimeter. Next question. In the opposite following figure, we have circular center M. The arc measure of angle here 70 degree. Find the length of BC. Okay, we can find the ratio between length of the arc over circumference of this arc 2 by r equal the measure of the arc 70 over 360. Then we can find the length 2 product by was he tell me the radius was 8 centimeter. Then we can write 2 product by, look at here, MC the radius. Then we can write 3.4 or 3.14 the pi product by the radius was 8 centimeter. And then we can simplest together here and write 36, or you can write pi equal 22 over 7 as you like. You can use calculator to find the answer. Length equal product 7 by circumference divided by 36. You can simplest here 2 times 8 16 and then find the answer, but if you use calculator it will give you the answer direct like this. 7 product by 8 product by here product by 2, and the result will be divided by 36. Then the length will be 9.7 centimeter. Okay, the length of the arc. Next question. The following figure we have 2 diameter of circle section at point M. Don't find the measure of arc BD. B and D. BD, this arc. Okay, he give me the angle 40. We have also the angle here would be 40 degree. He tell me AB and CH intersection. I will clear it here, draw again. We have circle and this diameter and this chord. We have here AP and CD. The angle here was 40 degrees. This angle will be 40 also. Intersection, we have CH was intersection with BE at the point M. Then measure of angle AMC equal measure of angle BMH. Vertical opposite angles, understood? It will be 40 degrees. This angle 40 degree. And M is the center of the circle. This arc opposite of the center of angle. Then measure of arc EC, it will be equivalent the measure of center. It will be 40 degree also. This arc will be 40 degree. We have parallel such that BA parallel to DC. Then measure of arc AC equal to measure of angle BD. They are equivalent. It will be 40 degrees. It's the answer about this question because two chords is parallel in the circles. Then two arcs which included between together equal in the length. Next question. The following figure, AB is diameter here, and he won't find the measure of arc BC. Look at here, BC. He give me the ratio between arc C with the arc BH was 3 to 4. The measure of angle here was 40 degree. BA diameter, meaning summation of two angles like MM, EMC and HMB equal 180 subtract by 40 equal be 140. So he give me the measure of arc AC, the ratio between arc AC and the measure of arc BH was equal 3 to 4. Okay, the ratio between together 3 to 4, and summation between two arcs here it will be 140. Okay, then we can write 140 here divided by sum of two arcs. 140 divided by 7 equal 20. 20 times 3 equals 60. 20 times 4 equal 80. Then the measure of arc, he won't find measure of angle BC from B to C. We have 40 and the arc here BH. BH was 80. Then 80 plus 40. The measure of arc BHC, this arc, we have 40 plus arc H was 80. Write 0 and 8 plus 4 equal 12, 120 degree. Then the measure of arc equal 120 degree. Next question. We have circle here. Two chords parallel and intersection together like this BC. Find the measure of arc BC. You won't find the measure of arc BC here. And he give me B parallel to DC. It's meaning the measure of arc BC equals the measure of arc DC DB. They are equivalent. Also he give me AB equal to CD. AB is equal to DC. Understood? Okay, they are equivalent. Then the measure of angle B equal measure of angle C. We can find the measure of arc BC here. BC. Measure of angle BC, it will be summation about arc BA and EC. Okay, but in the example he must give me the measure of each one like this. We'll draw here and give you the information to complete this. We have circle here like this. It's parallel and cut, and this parallel. We have angle here B and A and C and D. This angle was like 30 degree, like 30. Then the measure of arc here, it will be equal this. Each one of them equals 60. This 60 and this 60. Understood? And he give also AP equal to CD. They are equivalent. It's meaning this arc also will be arc here. Then the measure of each one of them, measure of arc BA equivalent to measure of arc DC equals 360 subtract by 60 plus 60 divided by 2. Then 60 plus 60, 120 subtract from 360 equal 240 divided by 2 equal by 120. Then each one of them equals 60. Then it will be 60 and 60. Okay. Now we can find the measure of arc C from two C's. Collect 60 plus 60 equal 120. Then measure of arc PC equal 120 degree. Okay. Next video I will complete.